Hello, World Wide Web friends and watchers. Jeffrey R. Chambers here again with another song for the Conscious Effort Music Video Shoot 2023. Songs Jeff has liked in his life. Today's song comes from the genre of country and western, the genre very important to me, the late 60s and 70s, when I realized that as a college student I was a failure, but as a college drinker and partier I was an A-plus student. Nevertheless, I had to leave that institution, but sure wish I could go back and do it all over again with a little different twist, like going to class. Today's song is a song that I had on a Johnny Cash 8-track. Name of the 8-track was Mean as Hell. We're cowpunchers and we're mean as hell. But the song for today is called The Blizzard. It's a story about a cowboy and his horse. The Blizzard. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. There's a blizzard coming on, and I'm wishing we were home, 'cause my pony's lame, he can hardly stand. Lord, my hands feel like they're froze. There's a numbness in my toes. Still 7 miles to Marianne. 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on her mind, 'cause it's nearly supper time. And I know that there's hot biscuits in the pan. Listen to that norther sigh. If we don't get home, we'll die. It's 5 more miles to Marianne. 5 more miles to Marianne. That wind's howling and it seems mighty like a woman's scream, and we'd best be moving faster if we can. Dan, just think about that barn with its hay so soft and warm. It's 3 more miles to Marianne. Only 3 more miles to Marianne. Get up, Dan, you ornery cuss, or you'll be the death of us. I'm so weary, but I'll help you if I can. All right, Dan, perhaps it's best if we just stop a while and rest. It's only 1 more mile to Marianne. Just another mile to Marianne. Late that night the storm was gone, and they found him the next dawn. He had made it, but he couldn't leave old Dan. Yes, they found him on the plains. His hands were frozen to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. Just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne.